In the meantime, about 8,000 Nigerians have so far received their first dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines. This was disclosed by the Executive Director of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faisal Shuaib, while speaking at the weekly briefing of the Presidential Taskforce on COVID-19. Helen Osamide-Akins reports.
Nigeria took delivery of about 4 million doses of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines in early March and has since begun administration to prioritized group. Prominent Nigerians received jabs of the vaccines publicly to drive home vaccine acceptance. The task force says so far about 8,000 Nigerians have received their first dose of vaccines with no serious adverse effects reported from those who have been vaccinated. The task force also disclosed that all states in Nigeria have received doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, except Kogi State. They say Kogi State was not supplied with its portion of the vaccine due to lack of storage facilities.
Kogi State was not supplied with the vaccine because their cold store is still under repairs following vandalization during the NSAS protests. We have not received any official report of serious adverse events from any of those who have been vaccinated. Of course, mild side effects such as pain and swelling at the site of the vaccination are expected.
COVID is novel. The vaccine itself is novel. Our attempt at dealing with the virus, it's in its entirety tied up in a system. That even to get the vaccines, we had to sign a form of indemnity, I think. What that basically means is that if anything happens, you can't hold the vaccine manufacturers liable. This is all over the world. Everybody had to sign that. Everybody had to sign. No, the manufacturers will not even give you the vaccine.
The task force frowned at cases of fake COVID-19 result tests presented by travelers at airports and announced that it has deployed a verification tool to confirm results, which will be deployed in a few days.
And it's really unfortunate because we've really continued to receive reports nearly every day from airport officials about fake results, either coming out of private people's printers at home or various labs potentially across the country. So last week we piloted this verification platform at both international airports currently working in Lagos and Abuja, and we're now confident that we can verify every single result out of a lab, out of a private lab authorized to test in Nigeria.
They appealed to Nigerians traveling out of the country to confirm the authenticity of their results before traveling. As at the 12th of March, Nigerians crossed the 2,000 fatalities and have recorded over 2,000 deaths. Helen Osamide-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.